Go to the, so this is Windows 2016. I'm not using 2008. I'm not using 12 because there is some problem with that 212. Directly I'm using 2016 and it's very good actually. So go to the server manager. So server manager will give you the functionality to the install the add and roll features, add role and features. So once you click on this one, you can see this window. And next, I want to install ADDS, Active Directory Data Structure. So role-based feature installation. Next, okay, you can see here I have already given a name. It is picking the name from my computer. Means I have already given a name Mohit123. So it is taking name. This machine name is Mohit123, and username is Mohit. So Mohit dot machine name dot local, and this is IP. IP is given by the DHCP server. So I have set any. I haven't set any IP. Static IP. I haven't set any static IP. So IP is totally dynamic. Next. So as you can see, I have already installed the Active Directory data structure. But if you haven't installed, just click on this one, all the things, and next. So you can see install button is not here. Okay. Consider if I click on NFS. So you can see next. So I don't want to install NFS. So these all are the options for the ADDS. Please see if you want to install ADDS, this option must be checked. Okay, then done. Then please press next or install. Once you do, it will take 20 minutes. It will take 15 minutes. Okay, it totally depend upon your speed of an internet, speed of your computer. Next part. So ADDS successfully installed. Go to the tool, select the ADDS. Go to the tool. Okay, you can select here. There are a lot of things here. You can see Active Directory Trust. So from here you can create the trust. Okay, what type of trust? Forest trust. Okay, direct trust, shortcut trust. You can create over here. Okay, and user and computer. So if you want to create a new user, consider one. To create, just create. How to create new computer? Click on computer and give the name. Like I'm writing the station 20. So name is station 20. There I've created the station 20. So just make a note here. Station 20. Okay. Station 20 and press next. So station 20 created over here. So now it's time to create a new user. Go to the user. Consider a new person joined a company. Okay. User. Username is you can like user 22. User number 22. So user number 22 and your login name is user 22. So this is a username. Okay, user 22. So I'm writing here so that I can remember what is the user I have created, user 22. Okay, done. And then next, the password is, and the password is like testing at the rate 123. Testing at the rate 123. So password is testing at the rate 123. So let me remember this password. Testing at that 123. Oh, this is a password I have created. So user must change the password at the next login. It's totally depend upon us. Okay, you can uncheck. Otherwise, you can check it. Okay. So user cannot change the password. Totally depend upon you. Count it disable. So please next and next. So user 22, you can see create over here. Okay, and its domain name is Mohit22. You can see over here. This is the domain name. Okay. Okay. Any doubt so far? Okay. So this is the domain name. Please remember this one, Mohit123.local. So this is a domain name. This is a root domain name. This is not a part of any forest. So this is a root domain means this is the Mohit 123.local. Okay, this is a root domain. Done. So now it's time to create a new computer. So I'm using the XP machine, Windows XP. Let me open the Windows XP machine, Home Edition. Let me open a new image here over here, VMware machine, and here XP2. Open it. Resume it. Okay, so this is the machine. Okay, we need to restart it because I have done some important configuration. So let's restart it. Okay, so Captain is a username and password is 1123456. No. Testing @1 2. Okay, so this is just it's a normal user. Okay, it's not the Active Directory user. Okay, mostly I use the same password. That's why. So its name is Captain over here. It's not a part of Active Directory. Okay, it's not a part of Active Directory. Okay, its administrator name is Captain. Okay, and now let's try to set the Active Directory. So how to set? First of all, let's check its card. So Active Directory and this machine must be on the same machine, same card. So set the VM number 2, VMnet 2. Done. Now let's check the IP address. IP config. Okay, it's not getting IP. Let's wait for 10 seconds. Yeah, it's getting. Okay, now its IP is 21.134, and here IP is if IP config. So IP is 135. So let's try to ping that machine key if there is any network problem or not. It successfully ping means there's no network issue. 134, right? Yeah, so I'm getting the reply. So there is no issue with the networking. Networking is perfectly fine. Okay, done. So this Captain is an administrative account, but I don't want to set the administrative account. I want to create a account. Means what I want that user can log in this XP machine by the this user by using that credential user 22. Okay, in order to set that credential, we have to change something. So go to the my computer, go to the property, and you can see here its name is Microsoft XP. Computer name is go to the computer name, and its computer name is Intel. Full name is Intel. Change it. First change it. I'm changing writing this name like uh, uh, name is machine 23. Okay, and okay, and you can see it must restart the computer for the change to take effect. Okay, done, and say okay and restart it. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, so username testing @123. Done. Okay, now go to the my computer again. Go to the property. Go to the property and the computer name. Change And here you can see domain, not time to domain. So now there's no work group, only the domain. So domain is what? Okay, we have to change something here over right now. So before okay, first of all, let's give the domain. Domain is mohit123.local. Let's give it over here. Mohit123 dot local. Okay, done. Now let's try to give. Definitely we will get some error. I will tell you why this error. I know it will show some error. Okay, we are getting an error over here. Okay, as a domain controller for the domain 123 could not be contacted because this is a domain name. Okay, why this error is happening? Because this domain, because our computer don't know what is this. Because DNS server is not helping this computer. So what I'm going to do, go to the control panel, and because we haven't set any DHCP server for this kind of infrastructure, so go to the network connection and this LAN connection property, and right here manual DNS. Whatever the IP address of that machine, right over here. I think that's the name is CMD IP config. So it's 21.135. 21.135. Done. So this is a DNS. Okay, Active Directory always comes with the DNS server. Okay, now done. Now it's time to set it again. Okay, now you can see we are getting the username. Very nice. So give the here username. What is the username we have created? User22. Give this username over here. User22, and the password is testing at that 123. The password we have created there. So testing 123. Okay, okay. So let's check. Will it accept or not? Yes. So welcome to this domain. That's great. Okay. So you must restart this computer to change for the change to take effect. Okay. And see over here. Are we getting new computer here? You can see station 20. I think that is station 20 or station 1. Station 20. Newly registered. Station 20 newly registered. So it is getting restarted. Okay. If you want to check this computer name is machine 23. Okay. Machine 23. Sorry. Machine 23. Its name is machine 23, not the station 20. Station 20 we have created, but not the. Okay, now let's restart it again. Okay, now control add delete. So see, send the signal control add delete. So here you can see captain, go to the option. Here you can select the, if you want to log in this machine, log on to 23. As an administrator can log in, but on the domain, if you want to log in, means if you want to set domain key, domain authenticate it on or authorize it. Okay, this one, and change the user. User is user 22. Let's confirm. Yeah, user 22 and password is testing at the rate 123. Now see, okay, let's log in by using the Active Directory. You can see it's user 22. Okay, and this is not the administrator count. You can see over here property, click the property, and you can see here you don't have any option to change computer name. You can see because this is the normal user, this is not the administrative user, this is the user created in the Active Directory. Okay, Active Directory can do anything over here because user is here. Okay, I think I can refresh it or not refresh the list. Okay, you can see machine 23 is over here. Machine 23, register over here. Machine 23. Okay, new machine is there. So means you no need to create a computer. Computer automatically register over here. Okay, go to the user and check the user 22. So you can change a lot of thing here. Means if you want to revoke the access of this user, you can revoke the access. Okay, if you want to set the password, you can set the password. You can change. You can lock this account. There are a lot of option over here. So means this is authorization engine.